Take 5 oil change.
Got me a quarter set.
That's what you get at Take 5.
Yeah, got your number.
I told you that was close.